when you need to print multiple PDF files at once? Does opening and handling them one by one drive you crazy? Well, there's an easy fix. Just merge them into a single PDF. Today, we'll show you 2 quick and simple ways to combine multiple PDFs into one on your Mac. Method 1. PDF Reader Pro, powered by ComPDF. Open PDF Reader Pro on your Mac. Click on the Merge option. Upload all the PDF files you want to combine. Click Merge to start the process. Choose where you'd like to save the merged file. That's it. Your PDFs are now combined into a single document, ready for you to print all at once. But PDF Reader Pro is more than just a merging tool. Powered by ComPDF, it's a powerful all-in-one PDF editor that also supports advanced features like editing, converting, annotating, and more. With the release of PDF Reader Pro 5.0, a brand new feature called AI-powered DeepThink has been introduced. Simply open your PDF, click the AI Tools button, and you'll get access to smart features like summarizing, rewriting, proofreading, and translation, all powered by AI. Method 2. Preview built-in Mac tool. Open one of the PDF files you want to print using Preview. Click this icon at the bottom, then choose Insert Page from File. Select all the other PDF files you want to merge. You can choose multiple files at once. Once the files are added, go to File and select Export option. Choose your desired save location. That's it. Your PDFs are now combined into a single file. That's all for today. See you next time.